Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use Aweber to design your own landing page. We have a lot to cover in this video, so make sure to watch it to the end and let's get started. First of all, we will create our first landing page by going to Pages and Forms here. And now I will go to create a landing page and press on it. Then I can either start my template from scratch or I can use one of these templates. So let's say, for example, you want to build your own business card. So I will pick this template. You can also preview it before choosing it. So if you liked it and if you are satisfied, you can just go back from here and press on choose, and then you can edit on it. So let's wait for it to load and build. Almost there. And here we are. So first of all, you can add any element to your own landing page from the left navigation panel here. You can just drag and drop it from like that, and you can place it anywhere you want. And if you want to undo, you can just press on undo here and it will be reverted back. So you can add a text, you can add an image, you can add a video, button, form, or more options here. You can add whatever you want from this left menu. You can also edit on the existing elements in your form or your landing page. So let's say I want to edit this image, for example. All what I need is to just click on it and a pop-up menu on the right will appear. That will allow me to access all the options. So if I want to change this image, for example, I can just press on upload here, or I can access the image gallery from here to see more preset images provided by Aweber, and I can replace it with it. I can also access on Canva, which is pretty amazing, by the way. I really suggest using it. And you can use Unsplash, which provides preset images like any other I don't quite remember other services which provide images, but however, Unsplash is one of the most common services that are used especially by those who are learning Photoshop, because it contains a huge library of images. So you can, as we said, upload an image. You can access on the Aweber image gallery. You can access Canva or Unsplash. You can also edit some other features, like in the design tab here. You can make it rounded, for example. You can increase like that. If we pressed on this, it will not appear because the image itself is rounded. But if I chose this image, for example, or yeah, let's pick this image, for example, I can make it rounded from design here. I can make each corner with different rounding, or I can just cancel this to make all of these corners rounded with the same angle. However, of course, you will not like your own QR code to be rounded. However, I'm just doing this for illustration. Now let's return to this image. So you basically can edit these fields, and you can edit on the design fields here. You can choose the rounding of the image. You can also access on the sizing of the image here and edit on it. You can also access on spacing and manipulate it. You can also edit columns or banners like this by just clicking on it. And you can see that two tabs exist, which are design and settings. In design, you can edit things like the font, for example, like colors, like header, font, buttons, background. And in the settings here, you can edit the URL, for example, where this tab may redirect you. You can also choose page copying or social sharing from here. You can also enable tracking from here. So this is basically how you can edit your elements. You can also edit on forms like this by just clicking on it. And here you will find also two tabs which are design and submission. In design, you can access the fields which exist, like name, for example. You can edit it, you can remove it, or you can organize its order in the form. You can also add a new form field from here, and you can change the text color from here. You can also manipulate the layout. By choosing submission, you will see the pages that you will be redirected to it as a user when you fill this form. So if I clicked on preview on this thank you page, I will find the page that I will see when I finish the form if my email is not activated yet. However, if my email is activated, I will be redirected to this page which says that you are subscribed. So basically in submission, you can see the pages that you will be redirected to once you finish your own form. So this is how you can edit different fields. You can also move, copy, or delete any field by just navigating to it and access on this small menu. Once you are done, you can press on preview and you can see your own form. You can also see a mobile version here. And if you are satisfied, you can press on save and exit and it will be saved successfully. So of course, after saving it, you will need to publish it. That's what we will do next. Here, by going to this landing page so by going there, you can preview, you can edit, you can also publish. You can also click on this arrow sign and here you are. And now it has been published successfully. You can share it on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your LinkedIn, or you can just copy this URL and send it to any of your teammates or any of your friends or any of your coworkers. So this is how you can publish your own landing page. Now let's move on to one final thing before ending this tutorial, which is automation. Automation is like a series or sequence of steps that are performed once a specific trigger happens. So for example, here we have a template, which is welcome campaign. So let's look at it and know more about how automation works. So let's click on this. And here is how it works. So basically the trigger which happens and which activates the following steps is that when a new subscriber is located or is triggered. So once this happens, a thank you for subscribing message will be sent to him. Then wait for 1 day. After that, another message will be sent to him. Then another wait for 1 day. Then a third message which contains let's chat. This is important. So you can replace this trigger. You can also copy or remove any of these stages. You can also click on it here and select to remove, preview, or even edit. You can also add an automation here. And you can also add a message, wait, apply tag, or check feed just by drag and drop like this. So this is basically how automation happens and how you can edit on it. And once you are done, you can press here on save and exit. Simple. So this is basically how easy you can use Aweber. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.